Hey guys, welcome to LearnBase Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you an honest review of Blitz, Win Cash, and answering the big question: is blitzapp.io legit or a scam? So, Blitz, Win Cash is part of the growing trend of mobile apps that let you play games for a chance to win real money. According to the company, you can join tournaments or cash games, compete in skill-based play, solitaire, bubble shooter, match 3, bingo, etc., and win cash prizes. Now let's dig into how it works and whether it's trustworthy. The app has 10+ games in one platform and is available, at least for iOS, in many countries, with a high rating, approximately 4.6 out of 5 stars from 200,000+ reviews. You do have to pay an entry fee in many cash tournaments, so it's not purely play for free and win big. In terms of legitimacy, most reviewers say yes. Blitz is legit in that it does allow withdrawals and real cash prizes. But there are important caveats. The earnings potential is modest. You need skills and practice, and there are restrictions. Must be at least 21 in many places. Some states chalk countries excluded. Android version may have fewer cash games. Bottom line, Blitz, Win Cash is not a straight scam. If you're into gaming and willing to invest time and maybe some money for small cash wins, it could be worth it. But if you're expecting to make big money or treat it like a side income without risk, you'll likely be disappointed. Use realistic expectations. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest app and product reviews.